Okay, this is I'm gonna do Microsoft. They got the new release, Windows 11, and I'm gonna show you how to load it, how to go to the site and load it, and let's try and get it running on these old laptops. Let's see what we got here. So, okay, I got Google Chrome here. Show you where to go. I'm gonna stick with it when it's loading here. Okay, and here we're gonna say Microsoft Windows 11. Okay, Microsoft Windows. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I don't know why it's so blurry. It's coming out blurry over here on my end. Microsoft Windows 11. Let me turn it up a little bit. Hold on. See if that's better. Microsoft Windows 11. And then space. And then let's do ISO. ISO. So it's going to say Microsoft Windows 11 ISO. Okay, enter. That's where we want to go. Okay, now the top one here. Download Windows 11. We're going to click on that. All right, here we go. Let's see here. Scroll down a little bit. I don't have a mouse out here with me. I'm just going to try to, before we begin, let me read some of these real quick. Create a Windows, there's three, it's giving me 2 or 3 options here. I'm going to go through each one. I'm going to make the disk image, that's a nice one down there. Okay, I'm going to make, let's try the top one today. I'm going to make a video on each one, I think. We're going to try the top one. Okay, download now. Okay, let's go to that. We're going to try and load it right over the top of your, whatever you got running in your laptop now. We'll try and load it right over the top. Okay, so it looks like it put it down here in the corner. Open. Oh, this is going to be some kind of assistant. Okay, now we're going to say yes. Yes. The PC health check, refresh, exit. If your device meets the system requirement to run the PC health check app, to come back here and select. I don't want the health check. I don't know what they're talking about. Hold on here, let me see what happened. Where'd that go that I just downloaded? I'm going to say begin again. Let's see what happens here. Windows install. Do you want it to make changes? Yes. I'm trying to skip the refresh. I'm trying to skip the health check, but I guess I can't. So I'm going to push on that. And the top left there, it said health check. So I'm hitting that. Let's see what happens. All right. It's downloading the PC health check app, I guess. That's what it says right here. It's going to check my PC to see if it's healthy enough for to load Windows 11 on. All right. I said open file. I hit that in the top right there. There we go. We accept that. We're gonna accept. Install. See what we get. Windows PC health check. Finish. I'm gonna have to re-record this. Okay, so that should be. Hold on, let me. Try to see if it's on my desktop. Oh, here we go. Check. I closed some of those windows we had open. It's telling me the processor isn't currently supported for Windows 11. It's telling me the processor is not fast enough. See all results. Right there in the bottom. Otherwise, we're good. Maybe it's going to let me go on anyway. Let's see here. I'm gonna go to the other one. Let's see here. I'm going back to Microsoft. Let's start over here. I don't think that was gonna let me load. You can still put it on your. You can still put it on your laptop, even if it says you can't. See, here's a disk image. Hold on, let me see. I think I can download the disk image to my laptop, and I'm going to put it on the desktop. Download. Let's try a second one. Let's see what we get here. Okay, I went to the second one down. Create a disk. Create Windows 11 installation media. We're going to try that. See what we get. Okay, this is just the same way as loading Windows 10. It's going to walk us through it. Okay, I might have to cut some of this video down here. 7 minutes, and I didn't accomplish nothing yet. All right, getting a few things ready. I don't want to hit pause. Okay, there we go. Just if you got all day, you can read that thing. I'm going to say accept. We're going to stick with it here because I don't want to pause the video. Sometimes I lose the video when I pause it and jumpstart. You know, so you're not wasting all our time here. Let's just see what happens here. This might be kind of long. Okay, it's asking me the edition. I'm saying Windows 11, United States. Right there, left everything alone. Say next. At least USB flash drive, USB file. You'll need to burn a. ISO file. Let's see what it says here. Try it next. All right, here we go. I took the second one down. Go back to that. I'll show you. I took the second one down here, ISO file, and I said next. And it's telling me it's asking me where do you want to put it. So I'm gonna say right on the desktop. Right on the desktop. So I know where it's at. So I'm choosing the desktop over here, where it's going to go. And it's going to show Windows. It's going to leave that alone at the bottom there, the file name. It should be right on the desktop. Save. And then when we let's see, we get this thing downloaded. We should be able to load it right from the desktop onto the system to what we already have. So I might want to pause here for a second. But I don't want to lose what I got. 1% progress. I got a feeling it's going to take a while. I'm going to pause. Hope I don't lose you guys. If I lose it and I end up uploading this video to this point right here, just follow your on-screen directions from what we already did. And it's going to show now. This is going to be on the desktop. If it don't show up on your desktop, the file, it's going to be in your downloads when you reboot your computer or whatever. I'm up to 3%. This is probably going to take 10, 15 minutes. All right, you just follow the directions, and you're going to be running Windows 11. And if your computer's too old, you can still load Windows 11, but I don't think you get the future updates. But you can force load it. But we'll see here. Let me try and pause this. The video might end right here, but if I can pause it and restart, I'll do that. Otherwise, I'll come back with part 2 in a couple days. Okay.